Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Use an Android phone running Android 8, 0 or later for Android Auto compatibility. Confirm your Tiago Ev head unit firmware is updated to the latest version. Have a good USB-C cable or confirm your Tiago Ev supports wireless Android Auto. Enable Bluetooth and location on your phone before starting the connection process. Install or update the Android Auto app from Google Play if your phone needs it. Charge your phone to at least 50% battery to avoid interruptions. Connect the phone with a high-quality USB-C cable to the Tiago Ev USB port. Unlock your phone and accept the Android Auto permission prompts on the screen. If prompted, choose Android Auto as the default USB behavior for future connections. Select Android Auto on the car display and allow notifications and contacts access. Wait about 10 to 20 seconds while the head unit establishes data and audio channels. Once connected, your phone will show Android Auto interface on the Tiago Ev screen. Pair the phone to the Tiago Ev via Bluetooth and enable Wi-Fi for wireless Android Auto. On the phone, open Android Auto settings and enable wireless projection if available. Follow the head unit pairing prompts and accept any pairing PIN codes shown on both devices. Reboot phone and car head unit if Android Auto fails to connect after setup. Clear Android Auto app cache or reinstall the app when problems persist after rebooting. Update phone OS and head unit firmware to fix persistent compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.